Here's how to change your name in Robinhood. So you might notice if you go to your account dropdown in the upper right, and then you go down to profile or you go down to settings. In this settings area, you have personal information. A lot of it is editable. However, name is not. You actually need to contact Robinhood support, but it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to that account dropdown, come down here to help, and then you're going to see a couple options, but there should be a big button that says contact support. You're going to basically get to the chat section. So we're going to click on that contact support button. And then inside of here, we're going to type our message and we can basically just say name change. And so once we say that, it's going to direct you through the options to get your name changed on Robinhood. You're going to need a photo ID supporting your legal name. And then if it's from a new marriage or anything like that, you're going to need the form or certificate or basically scan in the document that shows that actual name change that you've had. You can see the support here is basically taking us through the step asking, hey, it sounds like you want to update the name. You would say yes. And then basically it's going to give you the options to then update your name and describe, how you've got this new name. Was it marriage, divorce, court ordered change? And so just follow through all the steps, and that's how you can change your name here on Robinhood.